Welcome to my channel. This video is for a $10 Dollar Tree summer wreath. Please consider joining my YouTube family by subscribing, and don't forget to tap that bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams. So I'll be using this foam circle base for the wreath, and this was from Dollar Tree. Everything I'm using is from Dollar Tree. And then this glitter mesh, sparkle mesh, it looks a lot like tulle, but it's not tulle. It's more of a sheer or organza material with glitter on it. So I'm going to cut these into 17-inch length pieces, and I will get 6 out of each roll. And there will be just a tiny bit left over on each roll. There's the last piece, kind of glued on there, so you have to be careful. So see, every roll had a little bit left over on it, and each one was just a little bit different. So I'm layering these two together to make sure they cover up that center, so you can't see that foam base underneath it. Now you could just gather this and then tie it off or use like a rubber band or something, but I decided to just tie a knot. So whatever works best for you, whichever you like better. It would be longer. They would be longer if you tied them off with like twine or ribbon or something, or just use like some kind. I even thought about the little rubber bands they make for little girls, the little bitty ones. Those would work good too. Now I don't just have green, I also got this kind of coppery burnt orange color as well, but I have more green than I did the copper color. So I'm going to just attach those in between the green here and there, but I had to put several greens together here and there throughout the wreath. So I'm just making my way around. So I used 8 rolls total. Or was it 9? 8. It was 8, because $1 for the sign, $1 for the foam base, and then $8 for the spools, so 8 spools. And the sign is a little big for the wreath, but I still think it turned out really cute. The pineapple sign was just perfect for the colors, so I had to use it even though it was a little bit too big. And so I used cable tie mounts on the back there, and I show how to attach those on different, some of my other wreath tutorials. If you need to see that, I'll gladly send you a link to that, and I'll even put a card to another video on the top that shows how to attach those. It's real simple. I use E6000 glue and hot glue to glue them on. Just run chenille stems through them, and you can see how easy that is. Now I'm just twisting those chenille stems around the wreath. So it's very, very simple to attach signs with those cable tie mounts. And I got those from Amazon as well, and they should be on my Amazon shop. I also tied a piece of twine around the wreath there. I, for some reason, did not show that on the video. And I just tied it on there, and I can move it around wherever I need it to. So after attaching the sign, I just kind of fluffed those up and pulled that sparkle mesh apart to make it more fluffy. And then I also, I didn't show this after I took pictures and everything, I actually took those little scrap pieces of the sparkle mesh and made a little bow and attached it at the very top of that pineapple sign. So I'm sorry I didn't show that, but that's something you can do with the leftover mesh. So here it is finished. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share, comment, like. Please be kind with your comments. Please be kind to others, and happy wreath making, everyone.